Hey there, welcome to Travelers Backpacker. This is your Nikhil. Welcome to God's own country, Kerala. Today we are at Kollam district, which is called Chadayamangalam. So today we are at Jatayu Earth Center. So we are gonna explore the sculpture and the ropeway of this place. So let's get into the journey. So I am with one of my best friend, whose name is Akhil. I've been already introduced you over there. So let's get into the journey right now.
Hey there, finally we came inside and we got like 10 minutes of waiting time center. So due to this COVID protocol, we need to wait a bit and we'll be proceeding inside. We'll be taking a cable car right now. So another 10 minutes, we are going to view the complete Jatayu Earth sculpture. Let's stay tuned for that.
Guys, you see Akhil is here. Hi Akhil.
Hi.
Many people are seeing you after a long time into my vlog. So actually I came for Akhil's engagement and it went very well. And congratulations Akhil once again to you and your
Especially
wife.
I would like to thank you for coming here for my engagement and all.
No problem, but it's my courtesy to come, and he's one of my best friends, you guys know very well. So we came over here to Jatayu Earth Center and it's very hot and we're very thirsty, so we thought to have some fruit salad. So it's fruit salad or faluda? Faluda.
Yeah.
So we just got the faluda over here. So we're gonna have that and we'll continue the journey from here. So let's see you with the more details up, alright? So guys, they already called us, so we are heading up for the rope car and we'll be getting into that. So let me show you the complete journey of this Jatayu Earth Center. So it's gonna be amazing. I hope you guys also enjoy my videos, and let's get into the journey right now. Finally, we got into the rope car, so we are heading out right now. Akhil is a bit busy. And let's have the view right now. So, wow, it's been awesome and it's great. So after Kuala Lumpur, this is my second ropeway and first ropeway in India, which I'm climbing. So let me show you that. I'm standing over here, and actually this rock, the sculpture is about like 200 feet high in the altitude. So we are going to view that too. So you can see the fantastic and fabulous beauty and the aerial view behind me, where you can explore and where you can enjoy this. This is one of the best destination and new destination as per Indian tourism. So Indian tourism has been recommending this place for a long time, and we have been stopped over here. They stopped us, and there is a helipad over there. Let me show you that. Akhil is enjoying his fruit salad right now, so he's eating. See, have some. Yo. He's having that. So guys, you are seeing the beauty and the colorful Kerala, the God's own country. It's literally a blessed country, blessed state, and I recommend all the international citizens, whenever you reach India, we do have fantastic spot in behalf of Indian tourism as well the Kerala tourism. I would literally recommend you guys to come over here and visit this place, and we'll be seeing more visuals about this Jatayu Earth Center. So let's get into the journey more. I guess you guys saw this, the sculpture, the Jatayu, the sculpture of the story of Ramayana. Hey there, finally we came to the top station of Jatayu Earth Center. So right now I'm gonna view you the complete sculpture and I'm gonna explain you the complete history of this Jatayu Earth Center. So we are God's own country. Right now we are in the presence of the woman's greatest honor, and this is the highest sculpture in the world, one of the biggest sculpture in the world, which is of almost 1,000 feet, and it has a 1,500 square feet of sculpture, which is completely covered up with a great rock. And there is a story behind this, which came from the ancestors of Ramayana.
Statue of Women's Safety and Honor. Giant rock with a height of 1,000 feet, world's largest bird sculpture. The Jatayu sculpture has a length of 200 feet, width of 150 feet and the height of 70 feet. 15,000 square feet of utility space inside this functional sculpture area. An audiovisual museum is built inside the sculpture, which spans over 5 levels. A multi-dimensional mini theatre is functional inside the wing of sculpture. Cable car facility has been provided to reach the hilltop. A Rama temple and its mythical markings are in fenced area on the hilltop, which is managed by private trust. A rainwater reservoir is made on the hilltop with a capacity to hold 1.5 million liters of water. The world's largest bird sculpture, and within it a rock theme park for adventurous enthusiasts, is what today pays tribute to the mythical bird from Indian epic Ramayana, Jatayu. Legend has it that Jatayu tried to save Sita, wife of Rama, when Ravana, a demon king, was abducting her in the airborne chariot. Jatayu is said to have fought valiantly and fallen on this rock grievously injured. The Jatayu Earth Center at Chadayamangalam, 50 kilometers from Trivandrum, is a unique combination of artistry, mythology, technology, culture adventure, leisure, and wellness. The virtual reality museum and the theoretical magic that render the story of Jatayu add to the magic of the destination. A creation of Mr. Rajiv Anchal, the destination is sure to leave each visitor awestruck. The state-of-art ropeway offers one a bird's eye view of God's own country, just as the helicopter ride do as well. The Jatayu Adventure Center offers the largest adventure park within a natural terrain.
Finally we got blessings of Lord Rama. So we just did with a devotional trip over here, small devotional trip, because there was a temple and which is related to Ramayana. And let's go to the next spot and let me show you more of let me show you from here. You can see the huge statue behind. It's wonderful. I have no words to explain about. So guys, we have a lot of artists over here sitting and actually doing this sculpture. Actually, they are doing the wooden work. Let me show you that. And I just took a permission from him, so he told it's not an issue. So I'm going to show you the sculpture, what he have done. It's an artwork, it's a blessings. So here's Mr. Sri Kumar, he's an artist. So ചേട്ടാ എത്ര വർഷമായിട്ട് ഈ സ്കൾപ്ചർ ചെയ്യാൻ തുടങ്ങി? 10 വർഷം. So he has been in this trade for since last 10 years. So guys, this is Sri Kumar Chetan. Chetan in the sense we lovely call him as a brother in English. So Sri Kumar Chetan 10 years I did say. So he's doing this work since last 10 years. He Jatayu എവിടെയാണ് ചേട്ടൻ്റെ വർക്ക്?
ശരിക്കും സ്ഥലം പട്ടാമ്പിയാണ്, പാലക്കാട് ജില്ല.
Okay, ഞാനും പാലക്കാട്. So he is from my place, Palakkad. He is from Patambi. So എത്ര വർഷം ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ട്?
ഇവിടെ വന്നിട്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു മാസത്തോളം.
ഒരു മാസം. He's been over here since last 1 month and ഇത് അമ്പലത്തിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. So they've been doing it for the temple and they have 2 of them. So this is the first one sculpture which is going to finish it up. So let us wish him a good luck and thank you Cheta. Good luck and I appreciate your hard work and thank you. Right.
എവിടെ സ്ഥലം?
പാലക്കാട് മലമ്പുഴ. ഞങ്ങൾ ആക്ച്വലി ഹൈദരാബാദിലാണ്. പുള്ളിൻ്റെ എൻഗേജ്മെന്റ് ആയിരുന്നു ഇന്നലെ. സോ അങ്ങനെ വന്നിട്ട് ഇവിടെ അങ്ങനെ കവറപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ട്രാവലേഴ്സ് ബാക്ക് പാക്കർ കേട്ടോ, യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിൽ നോക്കിക്കോളൂ. ഇന്ന് ട്രാവലേഴ്സ് ബാക്ക് പാക്കർ. So guys, we have completed the journey of Jatayu Earth place and it was excellent actually. Because of this humidity, we couldn't capture much, but yes, I tried my level best to capture everything and even I have a aerial shot which we have done. So I'll be showing you a lot of beautiful views of this Jatayu Earth place and stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to sign off from here. And I guess there is something down over there like 12D theater or something we might explore. In case if we do have, we're going to show you on the video, or else this would be the last video in Kollam. We'll be heading out to another destination in Kerala, God's own country. So stay tuned for more videos which is going to be coming from God's own country. This is your Nikhil and I'm signing off from Kollam, Jatayu Para. Bye bye. See you in next vlog.